Bitcoin is right now trading below the 200-day moving average, and this level right now is acting as resistance, guys. We have been expecting this, and in today's video, guys, which is going to be an important video, I'm going to show you the exact levels that I'm watching in the Bitcoin chart right now to the downside, where I think we're either going to see a reaction in the Bitcoin price or which levels we basically need to hold in order for Bitcoin to continue to look bullish. So guys, it's going to be an important video. With that being said, if you all enjoy my analysis, guys, make sure to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. That is so much appreciated, guys. You don't know how happy you make me when I'm seeing all of these likes, these engagements, and your comments. So that's truly appreciated, guys. So let me make that very clear. Then let's jump right into it. And actually what we're right now seeing with Bitcoin was exactly like we have been expecting, right? So we got rejected right here from the 78.60%. And yeah, like I said in my previous videos as well, guys, it's not likely to break that level in one go. So even though Bitcoin is looking bullish or is looking bearish right here, it makes sense to get at least rejected to from the 61.80% due to the fact that it's such a key level. And we came towards this key level, combined with a bearish divergence on the daily time frame with the relative strength index. That is a bearish signal, and we had other charts showing us that most likely we are going to see a drop in the Bitcoin price, and we've seen that in the Bitcoin dominance chart as well, because we had that bullish divergence in the Bitcoin dominance chart showing us that we are seeing a bounce right there, which equals that we are going to see either a rally or drop in the Bitcoin price. Well, in this case, the chart was telling us that most likely we are going to see a drop. So what is happening right now with Bitcoin? Well, first of all, guys, Bitcoin broke below a key moving average. That is the 200-day moving average, and normally that is not a too good of a sign when Bitcoin is breaking key levels. However, in this case, it's still possible for Bitcoin to eventually continue this uptrend after a pullback right here. But we are going to have a look at the levels for Bitcoin right here, and which levels Bitcoin basically needs to hold in order to continue this uptrend. So guys, first of all, the level above us right now, that is the 200-day moving average, which is at approximately 45,500. I'm going to assume that this level is going to act as resistance, and that Bitcoin will be squeezed within the next support level and the 200-day moving average that is coming down, similar as we had that level acting as support right here when we were trading above that level. So that is a very important level. So if Bitcoin really wants to flip bullish in the immediate short-term time frame, we need to break above the 200-day moving average, which means Bitcoin needs to break above 45,500 US dollars. As long as we are trading below it, we are going to expect that this level is going to act as resistance and that Bitcoin is going to continue this short-term, hopefully short-term downtrend. So what else to watch, guys? Well, first of all, we got the next Fibonacci level at 50%, which is at the level of 43,600 approximately. Below that, we got another important Fibonacci level at slightly below 40,000 US dollars. This one is at 39,700. So guys, what I want to do right now is show you confluence with Fibonacci levels, which most of the time can show us quite some significance. So let me tell you what I mean. If we were to measure the Fibonacci retracement from this bottom, local bottom, till the top right here, then you can see that the 38.20% is precisely aligning with the 38.20% of this bigger move. And that is very significant because that shows us that there is confluence around this level. So we are seeing two Fibonacci levels meeting at that level. We are seeing right here that this trend line is also coming around that level. So I do think that at least in the charts right now, it shows us that this is going to be a very important level, and I think it would be important for it could be a level where Bitcoin is going to get supported from and can set a new local bottom right here and eventually continue this uptrend. The most important structure to watch in the price, so that is not an exact level, that's a dynamic level which will change depending on where in time Bitcoin is going to meet that level. That is this declining resistance right here. If we were to lose that declining resistance as support, then we've lost this changes in market structure, and then this breakout out of the declining resistance results in a failed attempt breakout. I don't think that this is the more likely scenario for Bitcoin, guys. I think it is more likely for Bitcoin to set a higher low right here and to continue this uptrend. Then, guys, of course, we have to look at the weekly time frame as well, because on the weekly time frame there are just some indicators we have to watch when right now we are going towards the end of the week. If we were to get this weekly close below some key levels, then that could show us some extra warning signals, and I want to bring out two key levels, and one of course is the 20-week moving average. That is the blue line right here. That one is right now at approximately $42,500 US. If Bitcoin is going to trade below that level, it's not that big of a problem if we have a short time that we are trading below this level. It is going to be a problem once we are getting a weekly close below this level. But the ultimate level to watch, guys, is going to be the 21-week EMA, because both of these moving averages are used by traders to determine whether Bitcoin is in a uptrend, in a bull trend on the weekly time frame, or in a downtrend. When we are trading above, when we are getting that weekly close above, then that is a bull trend. When we are getting that weekly close below, then we are in a bear trend. So that is something important to note right here, that if we were to break below the 20-week and the 21-week EMA, we get that weekly close below these levels, then that is a very bearish sign and showing a lot of weakness in the chart of Bitcoin, showing us that the bulls couldn't defend these deterministic bull market key levels. So that is going to be a huge sign of worry and panic once that happens. But so far, it is just possible for Bitcoin to get supported by these levels. And it's also fine to still trade below this level as long as we don't get that, if we don't close the week below these levels, because that will trigger a lot of just a lot of uncertainty in the markets. Then, guys, let's go to the shorter term time frame. Let's have a look at the 1 hour chart. What do we see right here? Well, on the 1 hour chart, we could be forming a falling wedge formation right here. We got a declining resistance. We got a declining support right here. We are ending that support with a bullish divergence. That is something we normally want to see when we are seeing a falling wedge pattern, right? We want to see the end of that falling wedge with a bullish divergence. That is showing us of a potential trend reversal. And one other thing to note right here, guys, is that you can put a nice declining resistance over on the RSI. You can maybe set it even right here and consider this a small fake out. You can also set it a little bit higher. This one might be even better. But what we can see right here, guys, is that if Bitcoin is going to the momentum of Bitcoin going to break the resistance right here, that would be a bullish sign, showing us that we are seeing a change in momentum structure right here on the 1 hour time frame, and that will be an extra confirmation that most likely we will be breaking out right here of this falling wedge formation. So this is a nice short-term trade which you could take. A bullish pattern. The target of a falling wedge pattern, guys, is the top of the wedge, which right now is aligning exactly with the golden ratio Fibonacci level, which is at 47,830. But I do think that the 200-day moving average will act as resistance in between if we were to get that breakout to the upside. And the 200-day moving average is right now, to remind you guys, at approximately 45,500. So if we were to get a breakout to the upside from that falling wedge formation, then the next major resistance is going to be the 200-day at 45,500 US. If we can break above that level, then the chances are significantly increasing, guys, that we are going to reach the target of that falling wedge pattern at the top right here at 47,880 US. Then guys, if you want to trade this move in the price of Bitcoin, either on the spot market or with leverage, you can do that over on the Bybit exchange or on the Femix platform. Right now there is a major bonus going on the Femix platform where you can get a $2,000 bonus if you meet the deposit requirements. If you like a account over on the Femix platform, you can find my affiliate link down below. Then guys, I want to reach out to the community right here on the blockchain today about NFTs. Are you busy with NFTs? Are you making NFTs, or are you active in NFT communities, or are you holding NFTs? I would like to have a chat with you. So if you are interested in that, you can send me a DM over on Twitter, or you can send me a DM over on Discord. Both socials, you can find my link down below in the description. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.